In this video, we're going to look at differentiating the hyperbolic function, the inverse coth of x, or coth minus 1 of x. So to start with, the function that we are differentiating, we're going to introduce that as, let's say, y. After you've done that, step number 1 tells you to apply, I wrote apply both. Sorry, I made quite a few of these videos and I think I need to take a break soon. But yeah, let's apply coth to both sides of this expression. So coth of y for the left hand side will be equal to, well, coth cancels out with the inverse of coth, leaving you with just x on the right hand side. Step number 2, we differentiate both sides of the expression with respect to x. Now you may have noticed already, but the left hand side is in terms of y, so when you differentiate in terms of x, you're going to have a form of implicit differentiation. Coth itself differentiates to minus cosec squared, so we can write this out as minus cosec squared of y. But then like I mentioned, this is implicit differentiation, so we need to multiply onto it dy by dx. When you differentiate the right hand side with respect to x, it will just be 1. Okay, it now tells you to use this identity, but even before that, you can put an extra step if you want, because we want to find dy dx. So we can divide both sides by this minus cosec squared y, which is attached to the left-hand side. So we get minus 1 over cosec squared y on the right-hand side of the expression. Moving on, now we can use this identity. So we introduce coth of y as x, and, well, I guess here everything is in terms of y, but you can put, sorry, in terms of x, but you can put it in terms of y. There's no problem with that. Coth squared of y would be x squared minus 1 is equal to cosec squared. That's useful because in our expression of dy dx, we want everything in terms of x. So what we can do is just straight away from here, just replace cosec squared with x squared minus 1. So we're left with minus 1 over x squared minus 1. One last step to make it match exactly what's on the question. We can multiply everything on the denominator by minus 1. And when you do that, you're going to have minus x squared plus 1 or plus 1 minus x squared if you write it the other way around. And that's everything for this question. Be sure to leave a like if the video did help and subscribe. I'd appreciate it a lot. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching your video. I hope it helped. If you have any tutoring inquiries for A-level further maths, be sure to hit my website up at www.excellineducation.co.uk.